Hi everyone, I'm Joanne Blanquez Golshan, and for today's video guys is i-feature ko yung aking Reward Circle Okada Prime member. Alright, so there you go guys. It was then na nag-apply ako ng job. Alright, so sa in-applyan kong isang BPO na malapit na mall, sa mall na yon meron silang BPO, merong BPO doon. And nag-apply ako, and then nakita ko sa baba nun is merong nakaparadang shuttle, free shuttle service going to Okada Hotel. Alright, so ako naman, I asked them na this is a free shuttle, blah 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 blah. Okay, diba? So, they invited me, okay, it's okay for you to come. And then, yun, tinanong-tanong lang ako ng aking details. Meron siyang ka-chat, and then, there you go, in-instruct niya ako, okay, when you get there, sabi nung lalaki, is like agent, when you get there, just go dun sa reward circle na area and get your reward card. So, yun, nag-register ako, nagpirma-pirma, and they took my photo. So, in fact, eto nga yung aking photo. Alright, so, kailangan ko lang na i-mask yung mga necessary informations sa aking Okada card. Alright, so ako naman pumila-pila, nag-sign doon and photo. So ayan yung aking photo. Right, sa aking Okada Prime card. And eto, ina-update nila ako sa birthday ko. Tuwing birthday ko, ginigreet nila ako sa email ko. And yung kanilang mga promotions, offers sa hotel. And alam nyo ba guys, diba? So eto nga, nung naging member na ako, ang pa-welcome nila is yung kanilang promotion. 2022 that time, meron silang shop, dine, and win. So ayan yung year, 2022, worth of 2 million prices worth. So ayan yung scooter. So meron silang ticket para dun sa promo. Well, in fact, eto ngayon, yung half nung ticket, di ba? Tapos ihuhulog dun sa Tambiolo, di ba? Tambiolo. Then, yung isa naman ang gagawin mo is mag-iikot ka ng ruleta. So, yung ruletang yon is nasa loob ng casino. So, ako naman, ikot-ikot ako sa casino and I've watched, nakita ko what is inside the casino and ano yung mga nilalaro doon, ano yung how you bet your money may worth $100 bin 100 pesos, diba? It's like that. Napaka-engganyo niya, napaka-enjoying, parang napaka-enjoying and relaxing. Lalaro ka lang doon and you put your money and you will gonna win. But then, since I am a Christian, guys, I am encouraging you to just eat and watch, alright? Because gambling is, if you are a Christian, if you are a baptized Christian, gambling is really not in line with the teaching ni Father God. So that is already, we will be caught in sinning, diba? So kaya, ini-encourage ko lang kayo to dine. So ako naman, so yung offer nila, and inside nga may roulette, tapos pag pinaikot mo yon, you have the chance to win kung ano yung mga nakalagay doon. And ako, yehey, nanalo ako that time. So eto nga yung kanilang sure prize, surprise free. Surprise free. So nanalo ako ng dinner sa Midley restaurant, diba? Meron kasi sila dong restaurants like Midley and Lobby. So, nanalo ako sa Midley, which I need to claim yung voucher na yon within 7 days para makakain ako, diba? And ako naman, on that specific day, gusto ko na siyang kuhain. Ba't ako pupunta some other time, some other day, andun na ako, diba? Kaya lang, I need to wait kasi nga may mga previously pa silang naka-listed, 'di ba, na mga magda-dine in ng dinner na mga nanalo din dito sa surprise free, 'di ba, yung mga nagpa-reserve. And they need to let me know, diba, kung may magbaback out, then I have the chance to. So that was too early for 6 p.m. na dinner buffet dun sa restaurant. So ako naman, nag-ikot-ikot ako, nakita ko siya, yung Okada, yung team niya is powder pink, 'Diba? And bago nga pumasok sa casino is para doon sa reward circle is makikita mo, madadaanan mo, makikita mo yung mga marshals, yung mga security that wearing black. So it's really good inside Okada, 'diba? Tapos makikita mo doon yung mga shopping boutiques, 'di ba, na mga branded din. And nakita ko guys na affordable na kainan lang doon is Jollibee. Jollibee, so affordable 'yon. What I'm telling you guys, kapag namasyal kayo sa Okada, may affordable naman na kainan, and makikita mo doon din yung fountain. But that time, yung fountain, since siguro maaga pa, but binubuksan siguro nila sa gabi. So still kalmado lang yung sa place ng fountain, 'di ba? And ayun na nga, so far nainip ako and I have to go. Alam nyo ba, napakalapit lang niya sa MOA. It's walking distance lang. If you want to exercise your muscle, it's just a walking distance going sa MOA. And ako naman, since I want to go na, is lumabas na ako, diba? And then, that time, they called me around 7:30 p.m. kasi may nag-back out na 6 na tao. So, they called me, is nasa may park and fly na ako, sa may Parañaque, diba? Yung malapit sa airport ng MIA, papuntang NAIA, diba? So, nasa may park and fly na ako sa kabilang side, sa Sukat Road, diba? So, ako naman, hesitant na ako pumunta, but you have that 7 days na pwede mong i-claim yon, diba? Na makakain ka doon sa dinner time nila na yon, sa buffet dinner ng Midley. Alright, so, until now, so far, God's will, makabalik tayo. And we can claim for this kahit 7 days lang nakalagay dito. But some other time, some situation naman is exceptional. The manager can do something with it. Kahit na yan is within 7 days na dapat ma-claim mo. And you have to tell them nicely what is happening, or just don't or just tell them na you want to claim this, diba? It's very easy for the manager to do something with it naman, diba? Kaya nandyan yung mga manager is to be maging ambassador ng kanilang brand. Okay, nothing to worry about, kahit yan is 7 days lang na dapat mo siyang ma-claim, and now it's how many years already? Nothing is wrong with that as long as intact pa rin siya, na hindi mo pa rin siya nakiklaim. That's so good. Really, that is part of the customer service. Na yung manager is maging ambassador ng brand. Not to create ng feud between the customer or the client and the business. Yan talaga yung pagiging manager. That is the example ng good leadership na pinapractice talaga, is to be to please your customers, alright? And from them also, kaya yung business is nagko-continue. Alright, so that's so good to be in this kind of business na nagka-customer service ng retail, ng BPO, 'di ba? ng nag-handle ng talent, yan mga customer service yan. Why? Because we are handling people. We are communicating with people. We are dealing with people to give them the satisfaction and to provide 100% excellent customer service. Alright? That's so good for today, guys. See you again.